Hey guys, if you're doing a whole bunch of repetitive moves in TradingView, you gotta know this one, guys. This is Hot Keyboard Plus. So I'm at 32 alerts right now, and I'm trying to set them up for set up 100 alerts. So lots of repetitive stuff. So the original way, like I'll go to 6 minute. I want to add alert. I'd have to click here, 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 here. Set the time or the date, and then create. So there I got a 6 minute. Okay, so here's doing it with me with my cheat code. And there it is. See, it just got added there, 7 minute. So crazy. So here's the program here. Hot Keyboard Pro 5. I just made it right here. And all it does is records your keystrokes. That's all it does. So here, I'll make a new one. It's really easy to use. Record play keystrokes, and then I'll just make a new one going to like, I'll press this button, and then I'll say, I'll just draw a happy face, and then I'll close the thing, and then I'll set the hot keyboard or the hotkey for 1. So every time I press the 1, it'll do that. So I'll press 1 now. Yeah, so you get the idea. So right now it's set on super slow, but here I forgot to set the speed. I'll do it for super fast and see what happens. Uh, like how cool is that, right? So I mean, it's perfect for setting alerts. Like there you go. 8 minute is done. So check it out, guys. Hope this helps. Stay blessed. Cheers.